Good evening, folks. Mark Wilson here in the Fan Cave. Right here I have a Hunter something or other, newer fan from 2012. Actually found this, somebody was giving it away. It was in the front of their house over on Lowell Street in Peabody. In a green tote that said, ceiling fan, works. So I went over, picked it up, and yeah, it's from 2012. Yeah, not sure what the model name is. I'm sure someone out there knows. These newer fans aren't really my forte, but can't resist a free ceiling fan. So reversible blades, black and wood. So yeah, I'll take it for a test spin. I think I forgot to mention it's Saturday, September 14th, 2019, 4:35 p.m. So this is the highest setting that it has. It's medium. And low. And now for the spin down. I want to take this opportunity to thank you folks for watching. Please do click like, and yeah, check out my Facebook page, also called the Fan Cave. This is the tote that it was in right here. It was very carefully wrapped up. All the blades were wrapped up in these bags. There was a Ziploc bag for all the screws. Yeah, I guess the former owners went to great lengths to make sure this was convenient for somebody to take, and that's much appreciated. So if any of the previous owners are watching, thank you very much. I do appreciate this, and yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Good night and good luck.